Let's make a half double crochet. It's a little bit taller than the single crochet. There's a single crochet just below. It's a little bit taller. Now with the single crochet, all we did is we went directly into our stitch and pulled up a loop. The half double crochet has an extra step. First you have to do your yarn over, put the yarn over the hook before you go into your next stitch or space. That gives us 3 loops on our hook, and then we yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook all at once. And it gives us a slightly taller stitch than you can see down there with the pink one. Okay, very simple. Yarn over into the stitch or space as requested by your pattern. Yarn over, pull through all. Yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through all. Very easy. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all. There you go. That's the half double crochet. Let's just do a couple more. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that's a half double crochet. And you'll understand why, because the next step will be a double crochet. I'll teach you that in the next video. Very easy to do, called a half double crochet because it only does one of the steps required for a double crochet. Check out that video to see how a double crochet is made. Here we go.